Happy Halloween, everybody. Sorry I haven't posted in the last 5 months, but this is one of my best holiday videos of all time. Better than the last Christmas video. And on second thought, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Only 26% of the viewers have subscribed.
Ah, it's a fine night for trick-or-treating. Yeah, isn't it? Ooh, what's that? What are you talking about, Frank? I mean, what is that? It looks like a mansion. You mean like that in that one plumber game? No, Cindy. It's like an actual mansion. Really? I haven't been to an actual mansion before. What are they like? Cindy. They're very big. Have a lot of rooms. They're fit for millionaires. Wow. I would love to be a millionaire sometime. Me too. So would I. And I. Come on, guys. Let's go take a look. No. Let's not go take a look. Our parents must be worried about us. And what if they know they're in that mansion? They won't know, Frank. But I'm a little scared. Me too. Maybe we should turn back, girls. Let's turn back. But we're brave. Often we get too cocky about ourselves, but we're super brave. Lily, Cindy, let's go check out what's inside. That's a good idea, Sarah. Come on, everyone. It looks like it's locked. Come on, everyone. Let's go back home. Our parents must be waiting for us. Wait, I've seen this in a fable once. A guy says the words open whatever, and then the thing opens. What's that word again? Is it open sesame? That's exactly correct. I'll try it. Open sesame! Look, it's opening. Well, it didn't open all the way, but at least it left a little crack for us to squeeze through. Come on, everyone, let's go in. Who should go in first? Well, it has to be you, Lily, because you're the youngest. What? Why do I always have to go first? I don't want to go first. Because the young ones have to be the bravest, you know. Okay, fine, I'll go. Why won't everyone judge me on my age? Okay, who's next? Not me. Not me. I'll do it. You too, Shara. Let's do it. We're on it, Cindy. Don't worry, Lily. We're coming for you. Guess it's just us then. I guess I'll go with the girls. No, I guess I'm the only one here. Oh well, guess I'll just turn around and go back home. Frank! Oh no, not Lily again. Coming, everyone! Man, this is all spooky. I don't even know where I'm going. Yeah, me neither. Wait. Frank? Is that you? No, it's silly me. I was pretending to be Frank. Man, I sure like the different artifacts that are there. What is that? It's a dead body? Who would leave dead bodies here? Whatever, I'm not afraid. Ooh, this is scary. Yeah, it is scary. Maybe we shouldn't have come in here. Wait, what is that? Wait, I heard it again. Sarah, Lily, look. What's that behind you? What's that behind what? There. What is it? Look, it's a ghost. But who can be hunt is here? I don't know. It looks a little blurry, to be exact.
This is my family's home, so get out.
Wait, so what do we do? I don't know, but let's hurry up and run. Just because me and the other girls are brave doesn't mean we can't get chased around by ghosts. That was a close call. Wait, why did we even come here anyway? We were supposed to look for the secret candy corn, duh. My mommy told me it was hidden in this old mansion. Well, we are in this old mansion, and this mansion is truly haunted. We better get out of here. Just because I'm brave doesn't mean I get to fight off these ghosts. Wait, what was that sound? Could it be another ghost? It is another ghost, and this time it's a daddy. Run! Ah! Oh no, it's the sister again! Man, that was really scary. Yeah, I don't want to ever come back in there again, Cindy. Wait, where's Sarah? I think she might have become a victim of the ghost. Wait, what's that sound? Could that be Sarah? They almost tried to make a meal out of me. Well, what were they doing? Well, the daddy grabbed me and he nearly dropped me into a cauldron. A bubbling cauldron. I don't want to go back in that haunted house ever again. Me neither. Me neither. Me neither. Me neither. Well, I guess our work here is done. Let's end the video. This is Frank and the others signing off. Wait, what's that sound? Dressy! What are you doing here? I saw your behavior over at the haunted house. You were acting really scared. What do you mean? You've got to learn how to be brave. But I can't be brave. I'm always scared and cowardly. We're not always cowardly. But what's with all the yelling and screaming? We were being chased around by ghosts. Well, you need to get back in there and face your fears. But we can't do it. We're too scared. You've got to learn how to assemble your courage. Listen, when I'm scared, I usually take in all my energy through my bright, shiny wings and then dazzle them so brightly they'll be able to scare them away. Do you have anything you can use now to repel the ghosts? Well, the girls are dressed up as unicorns and they have sparkling horns, but unfortunately they don't light the way, and this is why we ended up getting lost in the mansion. And we ended up in the wrong rooms. And we got chased by hundreds of ghosts, and I almost got made into a stew. Aren't there lights in your souls? They can help you light your way and shine through the ghosts so that they won't be able to get near you. Really, I've never heard of a light in the soul. It's really dark. Well, just imagine that there's a light in your soul. Picture this. Your soul, it's dark and empty. But as I'm speaking to you, there is a light, and it's slowly shining through the edges and growing brighter and brighter until it's strong enough to face your fears. Get that? Thanks, Dressy. We're able to get through the mansion now. You're welcome. Well, I must be on my way. Until we meet again. Bye, Dressy! Well, everyone, let's get back into the mansion and find the secret candy corn. We're with you, Frank! Well, it looks like we've been here all this time. We still haven't found the candy corn. But Frank, look! We also haven't got lost either. Or chased by ghosts. Or made into a stew. And look, I think I found something. What is it, Bobby? It's the secret candy corn. Whoa. It's so secret that no one else has even thought of it to manage to come here before. It looks so deadly. I can't wait to eat all of it. Me 2, me 3, me 4, me 5.
Actually, it's none of you because I will keep keeping this candy corn for myself.
Wait, what was that sound?
Boo!
Ah! A ghost! Run! So, it's dark and empty. But as I'm speaking to you, there is a light, and it's slowly shining through the edges and glowing brighter and brighter until it's strong enough to face your fears. That's it! I remember something! Guys, come here! Guys, I think I remember something. Remember how Jesse said that we each had a light in our souls? Yes, but what about it? We could use it to help scare away the ghost. But, Frankie, how do we do such a thing? We don't have any light in this house. We don't, but I know exactly what we can use. Ta-da! A vacuum? What are you going to use a vacuum for, Frank? I played Luigi's Mansion twice, and I figured out he uses a vacuum-like machine to suck up the ghost. So I figured if we suck up the ghost, we could suck up all the other ghosts and reunite with the candy corn. Let's do that! Oh, Mr. Ghosty, we have a surprise for you.
What's the surprise? I don't like surprises.
It's your dead wife waiting to be reunited.
Mom, don't worry. I'm coming for you.
Quick, everyone, hide. It's this vacuum device.
Vacuum. No, vacuum. This can't be. I can't be reaching my death over here. Don't worry, Mom. I love you.
You're too late now. Psst. Everyone, activate the vacuum. No. Don't worry, Mom. I'll meet you once I'm done doing it. Okay, everyone, you can stop hiding now. I captured up the ghost. What is it, Frankie? I captured the ghost with the vacuum cleaner. It was the first owner. Wow, I can't believe you did it. You're a smarty. I knew you could do it. Hey, you know what I feel? What do you feel? I feel that we should suck up every single ghost in this mansion. That way we wouldn't be scared. Let's do it! Well, I guess that's all the ghosts. And Lily, look! We finally managed to get the candy corn. Hooray! I got it all served for you. One for me, one for Sarah, one for Bobby, one for Lily, and one for Frank. No. Frank? What's wrong? What's the matter? Do you feel regretful coming here? Is something hurting?
No. It's just that I've been possessed by a ghost.
I can't believe Frankie got possessed by a ghost. That leftover ghost must have come somewhere into his neck. Like vampires? Well, kind of, but that's not the case. I think Cindy might know a way to free Frank. There's a place over there that can heal him. If they're able to recover Frank, then we'll be happy. But we need to figure out where would we go first.
To be continued.